Hawali bus stop, Tunis Street. Then Jausida, Hawali Park, Hawali Garden. Mungkin you alatol here waiting. Oh, now bus stop here. Okay. Black. Mungkin black pipe. Al Badr Company, Sama Mall. Block 8 Hawali. This one the mosque. You always walking here, this one mosque. Maybe you miss this mosque. Okay. Share, like. But then your friend before working also in Kuwait, but then see the video, too much happy because see the video, Al Parsi Kitchen, Brasilia Building. Oh my goodness, wow! Oh, near Hawali Garden bus stop. Oh my goodness, Al Parsi Brasilia Kitchen. Vestal Yusifi, Hawali, Marsilia, Al Nad Exchange, Brandporles, Al Little Swaya, Puk, Hawali Park, Hawali Garden. The traffic light there. Al Sumait Plaza. Okay. Share. Me happy. You share me happy too much. We are all happy. Yaku Hawali Pharmacy. Dream Door Kitchen. Wow. Too much video Hawali. Happy all before working Hawali. Happy too much. Oh yeah. Hawali Rehab Building. Little shop, Baden accident. Shop. Rehab Building. Swaya Baden bus stop. Hawali Garden, Baden. Tani Hawali Park. Traffic light Baden Hawali Park. Hisham Center. Oh, this one beside too much old, too much kadim left side. Also maybe this one also. This rehab complex. May correct pula no correct. Rehab building too much old also. Okay. Too much happy now. All Shokol before Kuwait. Hawali, too much happy. Si Hawali. Long time no see Hawali. Now see. Wow. That's why like and subscribe. Yeah. Alatol shop good video. You remember before? Alatol subscribe. You happy? Me happy? Your friends happy? All happy. Traffic light Hawali. Swaya shop. I go. Honor Hisham Center. Bus stop Hawali. Al Rehab Complex. Hawali Garden. 16. Port Ring. 77. Suwik. And traffic light. Now cold. Quite now cold. Very good. Tama, Mia. Oh. Burhan. Aden Port Ring. The other side is the